So excited about this lunch. Tastes so good.
Today I'm showing you how to make egg fried rice with luncheon meat. This is a super quick meal to throw together, but so tasty, you will be craving for seconds. We'll be using rice, eggs, meat, garlic, and green onions to make this. Welcome back. My name is Daniel, a home cook who's passionate about food, here to show you simplified recipes that are easy to follow using common ingredients. If you're new to this channel, be sure to hit subscribe and the notification bell for more recipes that your friends and family will love. Now let's get started on that egg fried rice with luncheon meat. I like lots of egg in my fried rice, so I usually use 1 egg per cup of cooked rice in my recipe. We are making 2 cups today, so start with cracking 2 large eggs into a bowl and beat them together with a fork. Continue to beat the yolks and whites together until it thins out. Then set it aside. Next, I sliced 2 slices of luncheon meat and diced them into small cubes. You can of course use whatever meat you have on hand. Ham would be great, so would chicken or ground beef. Give it a quick toss to break it up and set it aside. Now garlic is a super important ingredient that will add tremendous flavor to this dish. Use 2 cloves of garlic. I promise you, it will make this fried rice taste absolutely incredible. Finally, mince the garlic. I find it easiest to use a rocking motion with a knife like so. Then thinly slice up 2 stalks of green onions. This adds a beautiful color as well as a freshness that will cut through the saltiness of the meat. Pour a little vegetable oil into a non-stick frying pan and turn the heat to medium-high. Swirl the oil around, and once hot, pour in 2/3 of the beaten egg into the pan and reserve the rest for later. Now egg cooks very quickly, so keep swirling it around the pan. And add a dash of salt for seasoning. Fold it in half midway through and break it up into bite-sized pieces like so. If you prefer your eggs a little crisper and more browned, then leave it on the pan for longer, but it will be less fluffy. This looks perfect for me. Remove it from the pan when cooked to your desired liking. No need to add any oil. Pour in the luncheon meat and break up any pieces that are stuck together. Give it a good shake and let it fry up for a few minutes. You will notice it begins to develop a nice deep red color as it cooks. Once done to your desired liking, remove that from the pan as well. Add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil back into the pan and add in your minced garlic. Garlic browns extremely fast, like within 10 to 15 seconds of hitting the pan on medium-high, so don't walk away. You want to keep stirring and shaking it around so it doesn't burn. As soon as it turns golden brown like this, put in 2 cups of cooked white rice. Break the rice up with your spatula while mixing and stirring it around with the garlic. It's best to use rice that has been cooled and dried for this. Overnight rice from the fridge would be perfect. Continue to toss the rice with the garlic until it has fully heated through. Remember to add some salt to taste, but not too much because the luncheon meat in this dish is already quite salty. Then pour in your remaining egg and work quickly to mix it in so it coats as much of the rice as it can. This is of course optional. If you prefer to have all the egg just as egg pieces, that's totally fine too. Once cooked, return the luncheon meat and egg from earlier back into the rice and give it a good toss. Finally, make a well in the center of the rice and pour in a little oil. Then add in the green onions. Let it fry for a little bit in that oil to release its fragrance. About 30 seconds or so should be good. You can also reserve some of the green onions to sprinkle on top of the fried rice at the end if you wish. Then toss all of this together until it is well combined, and then it is ready. Serve immediately while it's hot. And there you have it, absolutely delicious egg fried rice with luncheon meat. It is made with no soy sauce and no wok. This is such an easy dish to use up leftovers and throw together quickly. I'm sure it will be one of your go-to meals. Hope you enjoy. All right, guys, it's time for the taste test. I'm so excited about this one. The kitchen smelled so wonderful as I was making this fried rice. I could smell the garlic and the onions and the luncheon meat. First big bite, here we go. Oh yeah. Second bite, gotta take a second bite. Oh man. Those flavors work so well together. The egg is perfectly cooked. The freshness of the green onions really adds something special to it. The saltiness of the luncheon meat is perfect pairing with the egg. And the garlic, that's why I said 2 cloves of garlic. Use extra garlic. I love fried rice, and this is so quick and simple and easy to make. You can put whatever leftovers you have in this. You can use any sort of meat you have. You can also put other vegetables in here. You can put whatever you have in the fridge, just dice them up small, saute them, and then throw them into this fried rice. It's gonna be absolutely delicious. You absolutely have to make this. It is one of my favorite fried rice recipes ever. Now, I didn't use any soy sauce because I don't feel like it needs any soy sauce. A lot of fried recipes out there, they use soy sauce. I don't like that. I also really don't like the peas and the carrots in my fried rice. I don't really like that sweetness. So excited about this lunch. Tastes so good. And as always, if you like this video, remember to give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what you like to put into your fried rice. And remember to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you stay posted on all my videos. I will see everyone soon. Till next time, bye everyone.